If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between the new skyline where I'm looking down. A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. And this silence reminds me of what's left behind me from now. There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road, and a weather vane hanging all crooked from the rain and the snow. I'm a half-mile past where we ran out of gas years ago. So I'm taking my time and I'm gonna drive by it once more. But you'll see there's a new life waiting, and I just don't want this feeling to go. If you're reading this now, please remember the good times we had. Don't forget about the moments we tried, we cried, or we laughed. There's a good chance our paths will eventually meet up somehow. Just know I had good reason to go. If you're reading this now, I spent too many nights with the lights out, replaying this scene where we share the same space, the same beautiful place in my dreams. And I kick at the walls, I keep tripping on old memories. And I try to sing along to the song on this old record machine, but I can't get the words to come out right. I forget this whole melody. If you're reading this now, know I'm wondering how things will be if I bump into you or the things that you do I leave. There's a million little things that I'll miss. Just know that somehow you don't need another reason to leave me if you're reading this now. I'm a long ways away, but you're safe, and I know you're better off this way. If you're reading this now, I think we all thought that we did the right thing, but it didn't turn out that way. It's been heavy and we're starting to break, but I hope you'll be okay. There's little difference in the words that we say, 'cause we all want the same thing. The sun still rises in her usual way to welcome the new day. I don't feel it anymore, and I know I'm not the same. I'll keep trying to put it on, but I'm fading away. I'm staring out into new space where I know I should feel safe. My heart is breaking and this look
और
on my face.
आगे बताओ जल्दी से देखिए। तो असली खाने वाले यहाँ तैयार है और साथ में हमको बता रहे हैं कि कैसा बना है।
So much confusion in this theater
टू
of
स्पाइसी
pain.
देखा तो ये टू स्पाइसी
We all play.
पहले बार टू स्पाइसी लगा।
I'm standing up and I don't care what it takes. I don't care what
तो
they
पहला स्पाइसी ही मतलब पहला ही ऐसा लगा वाइट पानी पीने की आवश्यकता बढ़ गई है, तो अपना पानी का बॉटल सामने लेते हैं और तब इसको ले, और ये बहुत मजेदार का है। तो जरूर ट्राई करना और जरूर बताना कि कैसा बनेगा। टेस्ट भी बहुत जल्दी में बहुत अच्छा आया है। तो मैगी का जो कोरियन वाला जो था वाइट टू जेगवन